Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 9 9900X3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. The Ryzen 5 5600 is a mid-range option with 6 cores and 12 threads, while the Ryzen 9 9900X3D boasts 12 cores, making it a high-end choice for gamers and content creators. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 9 9900X3D takes the lead with its 12 cores, which can significantly enhance multitasking and gaming performance. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 5600, with its 6 cores and a boost clock of 4.4 GHz, still offers a solid performance for gaming and general use. If you're looking for a processor that can handle heavy workloads and gaming simultaneously, the Ryzen 9 9900X3D is the better choice. However, for budget-conscious users, the Ryzen 5 5600 provides excellent value for its price. Price is a crucial factor when choosing a processor. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, making it an attractive option for budget gamers and users who need a reliable processor without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Ryzen 9 9900X3D comes at a premium price of $599. While it offers superior performance, the higher cost may not be justified for all users, particularly those who do not require the extra cores for their tasks. Ultimately, your budget and performance needs will dictate your choice. In terms of features, the Ryzen 5 5600 has a larger cache of 32 MB, which can help with data retrieval speeds during processing tasks. However, the Ryzen 9 9900X3D utilizes the newer AM5 socket, which may offer better future-proofing for upgrades. Both processors lack integrated graphics, so users will need a dedicated GPU for display. Depending on your specific needs, the choice between these features may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 9 9900X3D have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 5 5600 is a fantastic budget option for general use and gaming, while the Ryzen 9 9900X3D excels in high-performance tasks and gaming. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.